These boxes are called nodes. There are different kinds of nodes and they all do different things. So here we have event nodes. They have the red color. They are needed to start any script that we have. They are like the starting points for actions. They wait for something specific to happen in the game and then trigger. For example, if we wanted to do something at the beginning of play for that actor, we could use event begin play. If we wanted to do something after the actor is destroyed, we could use event destroyed, and that node would trigger. Why would you want to do something after the actor is destroyed? Maybe you wanted to spawn some loot or play an animation. We also have input nodes that will trigger after you press key on your keyboard or mouse button. Also nodes that will start when you take damage, or when hit occurs. Here we have variables. They hold pieces of information. That information can be changed. Boolean variable holds true or false information. Integer holds whole numbers. Float holds numbers with decimal point. Name holds text that is used to identify something in your game. String can have text, numbers. I mostly use them for development like debugging. Text is used to store large amount of text or something that user might see during gameplay. Also supports localization for different languages. Vector stores 3 values, X, Y, and Z. It can represent position, direction, or scale. Rotation contains rotation information. Transform contains location, rotation, and scale information. Functions. They can be pure or impure. Impure functions have a blue color and they make something happen. They can spawn or destroy actor. Play sound at location, or set location of an actor. Pure functions are green. They are used to get some data like get location of an actor or get his rotation, get display name or get level. One of the differences between pure and impure functions is that impure functions have execution pins that are used to keep flow of execution, and pure functions don't have them. Flow control nodes. They have a gray color, and they are used to control the flow of execution. Depending on condition, flow can change. For example, branch node. If something is true, then flow would continue this way, and if something is false, we would continue that way. Do once will do something just once, and when it's reset, it can do it once again, until it's reset again. We also have switch and select nodes. They also control flow of execution. Trace nodes. Used for collision detection to detect if a player or object is interacting with another object, such as picking up items. For line of sight, to check if enemy can see the player, or for some gameplay mechanic to determine where an attack landed on a character, so we can apply damage accordingly. Arithmetic operations. Simple math operations like add, which combines 2 values. Subtract, finds the difference between 2 values. Multiply, calculates the product of 2 values. And divide, which determines how many times one value fits into another. Usually are used for calculation for health, damage, score, timers, and so on. Relation operators are used for making comparisons between values. They play a role in controlling the flow of logic within blueprints. So if we put 2 values in this equal node, and if they are equal, if they have same value, result would be true, and if they are not equal, it would be false. So for example, if we add branch node and connect it to equal and connect 2 variables here, if these 2 values are the same, we would go this way, and if they are not same, we would go that way.